Hi friends, in the last video we learned if a line is inclined to both the planes, what are the base concepts we have to remember we are already come across. So from that video we have to know some terminology and some important points. Those things I will explain now. Next, based on this information, if they ask a question from line inclined to both the planes, how we have to get it? Rough diagram I will draw for you. Once if you have the instruments, you can able to draw the exact diagram for that. But let us consider what are the terminology we are going to come across. So before that, everybody should be aware of this particular diagram. This one I was explained in the previous video. If you have any queries, just you go through that. Now here various letters are there: A dash, B1 dash, A B1, A dash B dash, such things. So each and everything what they are going to represent and how it is going to be, that we have to know it. So here there are few lengths are there. What all are they? One is true length, another one is front view length. Normally true length in the problems I will represent TL, front view length is FBL, and another one is top view length, top view length, so TVL. So what all are these? So the true length I am having at two places. One is going to be A dash, B1 dash, and another one will be A B2. These two are the true lengths. Now front view length is present at two places. Those are A dash, B dash, and another one is A dash, B2 dash. Similarly, top view length is going to be AB or AB1, AB or AB1. These two are the top view lengths. If you want, just you keep this diagram and try to analyze it. Just you check it out everywhere, you can able to get the clarity. Good. Apart from these, you have to learn some more elements. What all are they, sir? In order to get this particular, in order to draw A dash B1 dash, we required true length, comma, theta. If you know the true length, if you don't know the theta, we can't able to draw it. Okay, sir. What is the another one, sir? We have to know. This is one combination. For one only I am going to explain. For remaining things you think about again. So another combination is you have to know the true length. You should know the position of A dash and locus of B dash. You should be aware of locus of B dash. Sir, in this case how we can able to get? Very simple, my dear friends. We know A dash. We know true length is some value, but if you know the locus of B dash, locus of B dash, if you know the locus of B dash, what I will do with the true length as radius, A dash as center, we will draw the arc, we will get B1 dash. In this case, theta is not required. Theta is not required. Good, sir. This is another way. This is another way how we have to get it. So all these things you should be aware, because always don't think that true length and theta they will give. Sometimes true length we will know, and at the same time B1 locus of B dash will also known. Then also we can able to do it. So what about AB2, sir? For drawing AB2, what you required? We required true length, comma, phi. True length, comma, phi. Because inclination with VP inclination is required. Good. So this is. Now, and another one is also they may ask the true length, that is A dash B1 dash, how it is. How it is means how much angle it is making with reference to XY line. How it is theta degrees. Just you have to say theta degrees, because in the XY we can able to give always it is going to be with XY only. A dash B1 dash is going to make theta degrees. So what is AB2? AB2 will make 5 degrees at which point? At which point? A or B2. A or B2. What is, sir? You are saying two words. Previously you said only one. Na? So how it is? So just you observe. A B2 is making 5 degrees. Where it is? If it is my XY line. If it is A, and I am going to draw a line with true length with angle phi here. This is B2 I was assumed. Remember my dear friends, if a line is making 5 degrees at A, it will make same inclination at B2 also. It will make at same inclination at B2 also. That's why I said phi is making either at A or at B2. On that line, any one end, at both the ends, it is going to make 5 degrees. Good. Now, sir, true length is okay. What about front view length? So in order to draw the line A dash B dash, what you required? I am going to give 3 different situations. One is front view length is required, and front view length is required, and alpha is required. Alpha is required. Another combination, front view length is required and locus of B dash is required. Locus of B dash is required. Third one, A dash should be known, along with that locus of B dash and projector of B is required. So third case I didn't get the idea. Okay, no problem my dear friends. So I know A dash, this is A dash, this is our XY line. Sir, I know A dash, okay, whatever the position I said. Next one is locus of B dash is known. So this is locus of B dash is known. But I don't know the front view length, but I know this is the projector of B. Projector of B. So once if it is a projector of B, on this line only, B dash comma B will be present. Sir, I already know on this line B dash should be there, on this line B dash, both are satisfied here. This is B dash, this is my final front view. So always don't think that only one value they will give. So different combinations we may have. Based on that, you should be in a position to guess which one we have to consider. So don't worry. So here I am giving all possible situations. I will take some problems. With that you can able to get some more clarity. Now let us consider, sir, what about A dash B2 dash? How can I draw A dash B2 dash? So for A dash B2 dash, we required only front view length. Why, sir? Because it is parallel to XY line. It is parallel to XY line. For this, no need of any angle. So it is going to be parallel to XY line. That is, you have to remember. Similarly, top view also we can able to consider the same. So that is, I'm going to give all these three possibilities are there here also. One is top view length is required and top view angle is required. Second combination is top view length is required and locus of B is required, not B dash, it is B. Now, what is the another combination? Third one. Third one is we should know position of A, same, locus of B and projector of B. So we can able to draw it. Sir, what about AB1? AB1, for getting AB1, we should know about only top view length is required. Remaining is not required, sir, because it is parallel to XY line. Just to check it out. So AB1 is parallel to XY line. For this length is sufficient. There is no need of any angle. Good, sir. You gave this combination. Then any other things we have to remember? Yes, that is theta, comma, alpha. Angles are present or drawn at A dash only. A dash only. So whether it is above or below, it depends on the situation. If it is A dash, sometimes theta we will draw above, sometimes theta we may draw below. It depends on the problem. I will take one problem also with for this, because in your example you are considered theta is above, sir, is always above. Sometimes it may be below also. Okay. Now phi comma beta will be there at small a, at small a. Okay, my dear friends. Now, apart from these, few elements are known to you. B dash and B1 dash will be on same locus. Similarly, B comma B2 will be present on same locus. B comma B2 will be present on the same locus, that is locus of B. Now, apart from one general information, you know, A dash A, B dash comma B, B1 dash comma B1, B2 comma B2 dash. All these are going to be present on the same projector. A dash will be on same projector, B dash will be on the same projector, B1 dash B will be on the same vertical line, that is projector, B2 dash and B2 will be on the same projector. This is a general statement. You are already aware of it. Okay, so with this information, shall we solve one problem? So how it is, I will consider one particular problem. Let us consider this particular information. So 1 second. So let us consider this problem. I will hide myself for a certain time, don't worry. To get the complete information, I will hide myself for a certain time. So while reading the question, what we have to do, that is most important, my dear friends. While reading it, we should be aware of some point and we have to note down them. Once if you note down them, automatically concepts you can able to get clarity. So here, let us consider whenever you are reading this particular case, what we are going to consider, a line AB of length 75, a line AB of length 75. So what it was given? Length of the line is given, so true length is given as a dash. What is true length? A dash B1 dash, which is equal to A B2, is given as 75, is given as 75. That is okay, sir. What about the other information? Is inclined at 30 degrees to HP, is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. Therefore, theta is given as 30 degrees. HP inclination is always theta. And it is making 45 degrees with VP. Phi is equal to 45 degrees. Just if you write like this, you can able to get the clarity, and how we have to solve this problem I will explain. When the point A is 15 above HP and 20 in front of VP, this information I won't write in the statement form. I will place this information with reference to XY line itself. So this is my XY line. This is, I am not using proper scale and straight lines, my dear friends. Just you analyze it in the rough diagram. This is more than sufficient. In the rough, you have to do like this only. More than this, it is not required. This is your XY line. Next, and A is 15 above HP, 20 in front of VP. So I have to draw a line like this. So A is 15 above HP. So this will become A dash, 20 in front of VP. This is A. So I am not drawing projector lines, extension lines and dimension lines. For our understanding purpose, in the rough diagram, I am giving like this. This is 15, this is 20. But in your exam drawing, you have to draw the extension lines like this, then dimension line, arrowheads. All these things you have to do in the drawing sheet. Okay. Now, what it was given? Theta is known to me. Okay. I was not completed reading the entire problem. We will go ahead with the remaining. Draw the projections of the line. If they gave like that, whatever I was explained in my problem, that is almost similar. But what it was given? And B is in second quadrant. My God. With this, what I have to do, sir? And B is given in second quadrant. So, if you observe the previous problem, wherever I was explained in the previous video, sir, here if you observe, B dash is above XY line, B is below XY line, means front view is above, top view is below. So it is in first quadrant, sir. But they are asking in second quadrant. Then how we have to solve this particular problem? Very simple, sir. You have to write that information here. B dash, comma, B should be above XY line. So with this, your problem is almost completed. Then how we have to do the remaining? Sir, is it possible to draw A dash B1 dash? Yes or no? Yes. Why? I know true length comma theta. So at A dash, I have to draw above or below. Sir, at A dash, if you draw above, B dash is going to get B1 dash is going to get above XY line. Once B1 dash is above XY line, B dash is also above XY line. Taking theta from top side from A is correct. Okay, sir. This one rough analysis I made. Now what I have to do? At A dash, we have to draw a line making an angle of theta with a true length. We'll cut the arc. This is my B1 dash. Immediately I will do the remaining elements also. This is my locus of B dash. Locus of B dash. Okay, sir. After this, what we know? Sir, if B1 dash is here, B1 will be on the same projector. If I draw a locus at A, we are going to get B1. This is okay, sir. Now, what I have to do next? Sir, Here they said what it was given. They gave it is making 45 degrees with VP. So AB2, is it possible to draw? AB2 is possible to draw or not? Yes. Why it is yes? Because I know true length comma phi. Okay, sir. If this is my xy, this is A. Can I draw like this? Is it right or not? Pause the video and check it out. Is it right or not? Sir, it is wrong. It is wrong. Why? Because once if you draw like this is locus of B, final point B you are going to get. But what I required, B should be above XY line. So this is missing. Then what I have to do? Do one thing. Don't draw 5 degrees at A in the bottom direction. You draw 5 degrees at the top direction. True length as radius, you draw the arc, you will get B2. This is locus of B. Remaining procedure will be as it is. Is it clear? This idea you have to get. Sir, I did everything correct, but instead of taking 5 in the above from the A, I took bottom. Your answer is wrong. Your answer is wrong. So here what I have to do? We have to draw a line like this. So here I am not having a proper instruments, my dear friends. That's why I don't know whether B dash B2 is going to get here or here. I don't know. But for example, I am assuming I am getting B2 is somewhere here. Sometimes you may get above also. Sometimes you may get above also. So don't bother about it. So I am getting here it is my B2. I am assuming here it is my B2. And this angle is phi. This angle is phi. Sir, once if you get B2, then what I need to do? What I need to do, my dear friends? So we have to draw the locus of B, and then now we have to draw the locus of B. Then what we have to do? Then we have to draw projector. Then we have to draw the projector. So we'll try to do that. So same procedure, whatever we did in the previous, same thing we are going to make it. So here once if you get B2, we'll draw a line here. This is going to becomes locus of B. Locus of B. Now what I have to do? So once if you get B, we have to draw a projector up to locus of A dash. Wherever it meets, it is B2 dash. So after that, what is the next procedure? Same, sir. A dash B2 dash as radius, A dash as center, draw the arc. Draw the arc. A dash B2 dash as radius, A dash as center, draw the arc. Wherever it meets, this is your B dash. This is my A dash, B dash. This is your A dash, B dash. Next, what is another one? Second step is two ways are there. One is take A B1 as radius, A as center, draw the arc. This is B. This is one way. A B1 as radius, A as center, draw the arc. This is B. So I am not interested. No problem. At B dash you draw the projector. Wherever it meets, this is going to be your B. Now I am going to join it as AB as a straight line. AB as a straight line. This is your final answer. So everything is satisfied here. The line true length I took consider, theta I consider as 30 degrees, phi I was considered as 45 degrees, and B is in B dash B, both are above XY line. That is why all the statements are satisfied. Problem is over. For this there is no need to add any statements, my dear friends. So whatever the information it is given, if you place it on the X with respect to XY line, and if you observe whatever the combinations, whatever the basic things we have to remember in the previous one I was explained, those things if you follow your answer, you are going to get it in front of you. So for your clarity, I am going to take one more problem for taking an example. So this is a little bit different problem. It is not previous one, just you observe. Only few letters are hide by me. Okay, no problem. Now let us consider what is the problem. It is given a line AB of 75 long. Immediately don't read the entire statement. Once if you whatever the information is known, if you write that information on the page, that is going to be very easy to you. A line AB of 75 long. So what we know, AB of 75 long is given. Therefore true length. Therefore true length is given. How much is the true length? So the true length is represents as A dash B1 dash, which is equal to A B2, which is given as 75 long, is making an angle of 55 degrees with XY line in its front view. In its front view. Remember, what is this angle? So it is making 55 degrees with XY line in front view. So what the information we know? Here we know alpha. Alpha is equal to 55 degrees. If you are not in a position to identify these, you are not going to get the mark. Okay, and the length of top view is 55. Length of the top view length is given. Top view length is equal to A B, which is equal to A B1, which is equal to 55. So and A is 10 above HP. In the previous problem itself I said immediately this information we have to place it on with respect to XY line. With respect to XY line we have to place it. So it is 10 above HP, sorry 15 above HP, 10 in front of BP, 15 above HP, 10 in front of VP. This is okay. Draw the projections of the line and find its inclination with HP comma VP. Theta is equal to how much? Phi is equal to how much? These two we have to know it. So first of all we'll check it out. Anything, is it possible to draw it or not? So first of all we'll check A dash B1 dash. Is it possible to draw? Is it possible to draw? No sir. Why? I know the length but I don't know theta. Okay, leave it. This I can't able to do it at this stage. At this stage I can't able to do it. Leave it. AB2. Is it possible to mark? Sir, for this also the same situation. That is, I know true length but I don't know phi. So this one is also not possible at this stage. Okay, leave it. Sir, can I draw 55 degrees? Comfortably you can able to draw 55 at A dash, but up to what level? We don't know, sir. Then what I have to do? Keep this one aside for some time. Okay, leave it. Sir, what about AB? That is also not possible. Why it is not possible, sir? Because for this I need top view length and beta is required. No, sir. Here this one is also not possible. So all are not possible. How we have to solve? Okay, no problem. Sir, is it possible to draw AB1? Yes. Why? AB1 is parallel to XY line. So 55 length I can able to draw it. So here this is going to be my B1. This is 55. Then how we have to proceed for this next, sir? Very simple. If you apply simple logics, permutations and combinations, you can able to get it. How, sir? Sir, I know B1. So from this I know B1 dash will be on the same projector. B1 and B1 dash will be on the same projector. Okay. With that what we can able to do? Sir, very simple, sir. Sir, you know projector of B1, projector of B1, and you know A dash B1 dash length, A dash B1 dash length. So by taking 75 as the radius, A dash as center, draw the R. You are going to get B1 dash. You are going to get B1 dash. Good. Then what I have to do? Once if you get B1 dash, remaining procedures will be the same. This is going to be locus of B dash. If you join A dash B1 dash as a straight line, you got theta. Theta is known to me now. Sir, what about the remaining? What about the remaining? So very simple. How we have to get the remaining? Just you think about this particular case. Sir, top view length is known, and alpha is known to me. Just you observe here, alpha is known to me. Now you have to catch, because you should think about all the elements. So you know alpha. Okay, sir. With alpha, I will draw a line. With alpha, I will draw a line at A dash. This is alpha, sir. You are going to get B dash. Sir, with this, what I have to do? Very simple. At B dash, you try to draw the projector. Try to draw the projector. Then what I have to do? A B1 as radius, A as center, draw the arc. You are going to get B. Sir, once if I get B, this is your locus of B. Locus of B. Sir, once if you know B, so this is your top view. Once if you know B, then what I have to do? Sir, with true length as radius, I know 75. True length as radius, A as center, draw an arc. Draw an arc here. This is your B2. This is your B2. So once if you join A, B2 as a straight line, now you are going to get this angle as phi. I got phi also. So, yeah, am I right or not? As here I was explaining any new concept? No. So, simply whatever the information is given, if you place that information and if you know the logics, so the relations, just simply relations, this sheet and this sheet if you are aware of it, and this diagram if you are aware, you can able to answer any of the question from this. So if you want, send in the comment box that we need some more problems, sir. Then I can able to send a few more typical problems from these. If you find any typical problem, like some people may ask in ND Bhatt textbook, oranges problem, in some other textbook, room related bulb and switch problem, and such things will be there. So if you find that is difficult to you, just you send it in the comment box. I will make a video and I will send it for you. Thank you, my dear friends.